Avalanche price analysis. AVAX is one of the best performing megacap altcoins. It is now a top 10 crypto coin by market cap. AVAX's recovery over the last 2 months pushed it to the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The coin also achieved a new one-year high of $49.96. It is up 107.21% in the last 12 months and 20.68% over the previous 30 days. The recent run helped it recoup most of 2023's losses. AVAX price analysis one-day chart. The charts show that the AVAX price rose from November 2023, creating multiple bullish daily candlesticks, but began correcting later this year. The RSI is a momentum indicator that evaluates whether a market is overbought or oversold and whether to accumulate or sell an asset. Readings above 50 and an upward trend suggest that bulls have an advantage, while readings below 50 indicate the opposite. The coin is in neutral territory without divergence. AVAX registered positive momentum this month. What to expect from AVAX price analysis next? AVAX broke key resistance levels in October and November 2023, forcing it into overbought territory. Meanwhile, the coin bull run has forced the coin into a reversal in January but shows signs of recovery this month.